Refinery and the application of Rocky Mountain Power for approval of power purchase agreement between PacifiCorp and Kennecott Utah Copper LLC Smelter. Those are commission docket numbers 25-035-56 and 25-035-57. My name is Michael Hammer, and I'm the commission's designated presiding officer. Let's begin by taking appearances, please, beginning with the company.
Yes, hi, Catherine Smith on behalf of Rocky Mountain Power. With me today is Ivor Smelter.
Welcome. And for the Division of Public Utilities.
Thank you. Patricia E. Schmid with the Utah Attorney General's Office representing the Division of Public Utilities. The division's witness today is Ms. Annette Orton.
And do we have any other parties making appearances? All right. Is there anything that's preliminary we need to address before Ms. Smith calls her first witness?
I have a question. Would the hearing officer like to have summaries and questions presented sequentially for each of the dockets, or would it be fine if the summaries and questions covered both dockets?
I'm fine if we do both of them at the same time, so we don't have to call each witness twice. Does that work for you, Ms. Smith?
Yes, that's how we hoped it would work out. So,
and I assume that's okay with you, Ms. Smith.
It is. Thank you very much.
Great. Thank you. All right, go ahead, Ms. Smith.
Thank you. Rocky Mountain Power would like to call Ivor Smelter as company witness.
Mr. Meldres, do you solemnly swear that the testimony you give in this matter shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Please proceed, Ms. Smith.
Thank you. Mr. Meldres, please state and spell your name for the record.
Ivor Smeldres, AIVARSMELDRAJS.
By whom are you employed, and what is your business address?
I'm employed by PacifiCorp at 825 Northeast Multnomah Street, Portland, Oregon, 97232.
And what is your role with the company?
My current role is Senior Power Marketer.
And can you please briefly describe your education and business experience?
I graduated from the University of Washington with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Business Administration. I joined PacifiCorp in 2022 and assumed the responsibilities of my current position in October 2025. Over this period, I've held positions in valuation and origination for the company.
And in your position with the company, have you had the opportunity to review the applications and relevant exhibits in both proceedings?
Yes.
And have you prepared a statement regarding your review of those materials?
Yes.
Can you please provide a summary for the commission?
Yes. Good morning, Mr. Hammer. I present today for commission approval of amendments to the qualifying facility power purchase agreements between Kennecott Utah Copper LLC, Refinery and Smelter, and PacifiCorp. I will begin with the Kennecott Refinery amendment. The original agreement for Kennecott Refinery was filed on October 10, 2019, and approved on December 20, 2019, in docket number 19-035-37, which had a term of 12 months beginning January 1, 2020 through December 31, 2020. The agreement provides for the sale to PacifiCorp of energy to be generated by Kennecott's refinery for up to 7.54 megawatts from a waste heat fired cogeneration facility constructed by Kennecott and located near Magna, Utah. The amendment for which the company seeks approval in docket number 25-035-56 is the Sixth Amendment to the original agreement. This amendment extends the term for 12 months, beginning January 1, 2026 and ending December 31, 2026. The purchase prices set forth in the amendment are calculated using the methodology approved by the Commission in docket number 03-035-14 and reaffirmed by the Commission in docket number 12-035-100. Through comments filed on November 4, 2025, the Division of Public Utilities supported Commission approval of the amendment. The division found that the contractual arrangements and facts in this matter, particularly the method for calculating the avoided energy cost, has been previously found to be just and reasonable and in the public interest. The division concluded the amendment is just, reasonable, and in the public interest, and recommended the Commission approve the Sixth Amendment to the Power Purchase Agreement between PacifiCorp and Kennecott Refinery. The company believes the amendment is compliant with relevant Commission orders, and approval is in the public interest. With the current term set to expire December 31st, 2025, I respectfully request the Commission issue its order in these proceedings by December 31st, 2025, if possible, so that no time lapses between agreements. Now turning to the Kennecott Smelter Amendment. The original agreement for Kennecott Smelter was filed on October 10, 2019, and approved on December 20, 2019, in docket number 19-035-36, which had a term of 12 months beginning January 1, 2020 through December 31, 2020. This agreement provides for the sale to PacifiCorp of energy to be generated by Kennecott up to 31.8 megawatts from the waste heat-fired cogeneration facility constructed by Kennecott and located near Magna, Utah. The amendment for which the company seeks approval in docket number 25-035-57 is the Sixth Amendment to the original agreement. This amendment extends the terms for 12 months beginning January 1, 2026 and ending December 31, 2026. The purchase prices set forth in the amendment are calculated using the methodology approved by the Commission in docket number 03-035-14 and reaffirmed by the Commission in docket number 12-035-100. Through comments filed on November 4, 2025, the Division of Public Utilities supported Commission approval of the amendment. The division found that the contractual arrangements and facts in this matter, particularly the method for calculating the avoided energy cost, has been previously found to be just and reasonable and in the public interest. The division concluded the amendment is just, reasonable, and in the public interest, and recommended the Commission approve the Sixth Amendment to the Power Purchase Agreement between PacifiCorp and Kennecott Refinery. The company believes the amendment is compliant with relevant Commission orders and approval is in the public interest. With the current term set to expire December 31st, 2025, I respectfully request the Commission issue its order in these proceedings by December 31st, 2025, if possible, so that no time lapses between agreements. That concludes my summary today.
Thank you. Just a clarifying question regarding the smelter. Do you agree that the division concluded that the amendment between PacifiCorp and Kennecott Smelter is in the public interest?
Yes.
Thank you. Your Honor, I would now like to move for admission in docket 25-03556, the company's application and work papers 1 through 4 with the application work paper 3 and 4 marked as confidential. And then in docket 25-03557, the company's application and work papers 1 through 4 with the application and work paper 3 and 4 marked as confidential.
They're admitted.
Thank you. Mr. Meldrews is available for any questions.
Ms. Schmidt?
No questions, thank you.
And I have none. Thank you, Mr. Meldrews. No other witnesses, Ms. Smith?
No.
Ms. Schmidt?
Thank you. The division would like to call Ms. Annette Orton as its witness. May she please be sworn?
Ms. Orton, do you solemnly swear that the testimony you give in this matter shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Good morning.
Good morning.
For the record, could you please state and spell your name?
My name is Annette Orton, and that is spelled ANNETTEORTON.
By whom are you employed and what is your title?
The Utah Division of Public Utilities, and I am a utility analyst.
What is your business address?
It is 160 East, 300 South, Salt Lake City, Utah, 84111.
How long have you worked for the division?
I have been employed for 2.5 years.
Could you please provide an overview of your educational and background experience and relevant work experience?
Yes, I have a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Management with an emphasis in accounting from Utah Valley University. I was employed by the State of Utah Division of Child and Family Services for 17 years as a caseworker. I testified in court regarding child welfare matters. For the next 8 years, I was employed by Garfield County School District, performing several accounting functions. I've been employed with the division since May of 2023. I attended the Basics Practical Regulatory Training in Albuquerque, New Mexico in October of 2023, and other utility training courses.
Have you participated in docket number 2503556 and 2503557 on behalf of the division?
Yes,
Did you review Rocky Mountain Power's applications and work papers in both dockets?
yes.
Could you please explain how you evaluated the power purchase agreement and applications for the smelter and for the refinery?
Yes, I reviewed Rocky Mountain Power's application that included the Kennecott Refinery and Smelter power purchase agreement contracts in conjunction with the required quarterly reporting. The contracts were also studied for compliance with the Utah Code and Commission orders.
Did you prepare and cause to be filed the division's action request responses in each docket that were filed on November 4th of this year?
Yes,
Do you have any changes or corrections to those filings?
no,
Do you adopt the contents of those filings as your testimony here today?
yes,
With that, the division would like to move for the admission of its action request responses into evidence.
Yeah, those are the comments filed on November 4th in each of the two dockets.
Correct.
They're admitted.
Ms. Orton, do you have a summary to present today pertaining to the dockets?
yes.
Please proceed.
Good morning, Mr. Hammer. The division recommends the commission approve the amendments to the non-firm power purchase agreements between Rocky Mountain Power and Kennecott Utah Copper, LLC, regarding the Kennecott Refinery and Kennecott Smelter, the subjects of docket number 25-035-56 and 25-035-57, respectively. The amendments under consideration extend the terms of the agreements through December 31st, 2026. The division finds both agreements are similar to contracts of prior years and the amendments from the prior 5 years and comply with the commission guidelines established in prior orders. The division finds the current amendments to be just, reasonable, and in the public interest. This concludes my summary.
And just to reiterate, so the division requests that the commission approve each application. Is that correct?
Yes,
Ms. Orton is now available for cross-examination questions and questions from the hearing officer.
Ms. Smith?
No questions.
I have no questions. Thank you, Ms. Orton. Any other witnesses, Ms. Schmidt?
No other witnesses, thank you.
All right. Is there anything else before we adjourn? All right. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful morning.
Thanks. Happy
Thank you.
Thanksgiving.